Today, I am in memory of my mentor, Dr. V. Shanta. I am starting a series of sessions which will help you in knowing about us, that is, about women. In the year 2013, Dr. Shanta, the Doyen of Cancer, was awarded the Avai Award. Tamil Nadu, in its tradition, everybody is aware about Avaya. And Avaya's first dictum or words is called Atichudi. And it starts with Aram Sheya Virumbu, which means a desire to do dharma or charity, whichever way you take. The charity can be either in the form of money or serving food or giving education. In memory of my mentor, I am starting this with a view to educate the common people of what we are and also to help us to improve in our health. Women's health, if I should start, it all starts with gynecology. You know the uterus, this is the womb in which the baby grows. But you see how small it is. It's the size of a pear, hardly 7.5 centimeters in length and 5 centimeters in width. This uterus, on either side you have the ovary. The two main parts of the uterus are the body of the uterus and the mouth of the uterus. This lower portion of uterus is called the cervix, and for women, this is the site where most of the cancers occur. Cervical cancer is the commonest cancer among gynecological malignancies, and it affects more the lower socioeconomic group. So it is our duty not only to gain knowledge, but to spread the awareness of the factors which are at risk for getting this disease. So this is going to be multilingual as well. This uterus, which is so small, grows and expands for term pregnancy like this. You have all seen a woman in term pregnancy. When the uterus expands and bears the baby, the problem is you have two organs nearby the uterus. One is the bladder and the other is the rectum. This is the uterus. Any problem associated with the uterus can be sometimes symptomatic either to the urinary bladder or to the rectum. When a woman becomes pregnant and the uterus expands, labor sets in. This muscular organ is capable of expanding and contracting. When the upper segment contracts, that is the body of the uterus, the baby descends down and the cervix dilates. This beautiful mechanism is concluded in 6 weeks. That is, the expanded uterus becomes again a pear-shaped organ by 6 weeks. That is what we call the puerperium period. Such a wonderful organ. We have to care for it. Unfortunately, we do not have the time or the dedication to think about this simple organ after we have completed our family. So, to save the cervix from any cancer, you should all know the facts. I thank you all. In the next session, we will see what the factors are.